Hey guys. Now, people ask me why spring is my favorite time of the year, and the answer to that question would be because it's when carp spawn, and usually that means it's the best carp fishing. And I do have one on right now, if I can get him past this little log jam. There we go. The spawn seems to be a little bit later this year, but that's expected because of the really bad winter we had in Michigan this year. Oh, seems to be a pretty nice one too. That's a good start right there. Oh, there he goes. Well, I should have been a little bit more careful about that one. But anyways, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. There we go. Oh, there we go. If you guys can notice, I'm perched up in a tree. And that's because this way I can see into the water a lot better. But here's a down. Should have brought my net. That would have helped. If you don't have a net, you just kind of have to lip them, which can be a pain. There we go. Just like a big bass. Yeah, this is a pretty good sized one. Probably high 20s. 28 inches.
At least 28. That's not very
Yeah, it's a pretty good sized carp. Yeah, well, you're here. I might as well get a picture with him.
Yeah.
This one's a lively little guy. Let's see if I can get this one up. I'm gonna move spots in a second because it's kind of hard to get him up on the shore. There we go. See if I can do this without breaking my line. Yeah, I couldn't do this with a big one, so. But this guy's not big at all, so. There we go. Now, as you guys might be able to see, I'm using a little piece of corn, and right now you don't wanna screw around with using bread, and that's just because there's a lot of bluegill too in this time of year in the creeks, so yeah, they will rip that bread right off your hook. So that's just a little thing that I kind of found out over the years of carp fishing. So yeah, little carp. Oh, almost got my shoelace hooked there for a minute, but yeah, little guy. Just throw him back. There he goes. There we go. Oh, bad move. He got, oh my god. Wow. This guy might be foul hooked. No, he's not. He's just, wait, yep, wait, no, he's not. Get out from underneath here. Small one. Little one. Once again. Come on, get out of there, get out of there. Sometimes you just really gotta. This little. There we go. Come on, bud. Oh! He's off. Alright guys, this is a good sized one. Oh man, this is good. This is a really good sized one. Holy crap, that's a big one. That's a big one. All right. That guy's a big carp. 30. 30? Yeah. It's a, I mean, if you want, yeah, that's a good sized one. That's a 30-incher. He's, as you can see, he's got a little, it's pretty thick too. Yeah, and this is why I come here, guys. My spring break's coming up in well, I have one more week of school and then I got spring break. So I'll probably be here, probably pretty much every day during spring break, depending on my work schedule, but other than that, I don't really have anything going on, so, and homework too, I guess, but, so, yeah, man, that's a nice one. My dad's coming over here to take a picture of me with this guy, but, yeah, I'll see you guys in a sec. Alright guys, I got something pretty good size on here, and it's not a carp, it's a pike, Look at that.
Nice pike. Oh, nice. Nice.
Oh shoot, is he foul hooked?
Bring it in, he might be. Bring him in.
Dang it.
No, wait, is he?
He might be. Right underneath, yeah he is. Whoops. My bad.
Nice, Mike.
Well, that kind of... Oh my god. It's really weird.
That's nice. That's a good 26, I'm gonna say.
Yeah. Yeah, I was throwing out... He must have, like, went for it or something and then just, like... Because, you know, I saw, like, some long, slender fish, and I know there's walleye in here, and bass. And I thought that it was maybe a bass or a walleye, so I was casting. And, I think this guy went for it. He just kind of got a little ahead of himself there and got foul hooked.
That looks like 27. If you don't want to lay him down, okay, we're gonna lay him down.
And there was an even bigger one too than this guy. This guy was one of like the smaller of the two. Never caught a pike in here before. About 27. That's
27.
Cool.
27, Mike. Way to go.
Thanks. I guess I'll get a picture of this with this guy. Hey guys, so I'm heading home now, and I've got to say that was a pretty crazy trip, but yeah, so I'll definitely be going back there, you know, over spring break. That's coming right around the corner, and yeah, so you guys stay tuned, and if you subscribe, just let me know and I'll subscribe back. And I better pay attention to what's going on the road so I don't get in a car accident.